Oh man, here we go. How does a family travel? Oh yeah. Well, we're traveling today, you know. Baby's back there chilling. This is how you travel. This is it. No other way anymore. Stacy said this is the way we're gonna do it. We're traveling. We're traveling. Here we go. Down to 99, baby. All right, guys, we're about to raise the standards of transportation. We're gonna raise it up. We're raising up the level of transportation. It's just the airport just keeps getting more and more busy around that hangar. Guys, plans are fluid. We got people here at the airport. Baby's here. We got the fan open. We're about to start cooking. Well, guys, the airport family is getting bigger. Well, I guess we're traveling. You know, flying this thing, everybody thinks, oh man, it must be a lot of fuel. Nobody thinks about the amount of oil this thing does. You guys probably think, what does it take to travel in this thing? Well, it takes multiple support vehicles, support people, just sitting around, you know, everybody looking out, scouts. We got a crewman. We're gonna make his first flight. We'll see how this goes.
They do it on the Lion King?
Shut up. Cargo coming in.
Got it.
Here we go. Oh, whoa, whoa. Little guy, he's ready. Are you ready?
I'm gonna make sure this is locked.
Are you ready? You ready? He's ready. Here we go. And... all right. Here we go. Clear prep. That's good. It's on now. Yeah. Baby! Baby, baby, baby! We just realized something. Little Sullivan takes after you. He's just one of those guys that wants to sit in the back and sleep. Look at him. All right, we're done flying. We're done traveling. Things are changing out here. We're packing it up. Headed home. Anyways, just want to show you something. Man, you know, the baby seat. And you're probably wondering, you know, what do you do when you have to feed the baby? You can't beat it. You gotta change the baby. You can change the baby. Baby gotta sleep. Baby gotta sleep. What? We just need a shower. Alright guys, that was a day in the Santos family's way of traveling. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Can you guys tell me what's the point of running if at the end of running you're craving food? How can you beat it? Like, how can you beat it? Tell me. How can you beat this? I mean, come on. The baby started making noise. We had to come back to the car and come on. A long day. This is my favorite part. I don't have to open the door or nothing. Look at this room. Look at this room. You can't beat it. You just can't beat it. You can't beat it.